Hello, today we're in Suffolk Square, Cheltenham. Suffolk Square is in the southern part of town, a short distance from Montpellier Gardens. It's one of Cheltenham's most desirable residential areas. The area was owned briefly by the Earl of Suffolk in the early 19th century, hence the name. The streets around the square are generally known as the Suffolks. Montpellier House was designed by Edward Jenkins and built in 1832. It's Grade 2 listed. At one time it was the home of Sir Robert Smirke RA, the architect. Cheltenham Bowling Club was founded in 1883 and moved to Suffolk Square in 1918. The square was laid out from 1823 onward. Many of the buildings were designed by Edward Jenkins. Before being built on, it was farmland, known as Galleypot Farm. The old Galleypot farmhouse was rebuilt in the 1800s as Suffolk House, and eventually demolished in the 1930s. In 1989 and 1990, the Milford UK Science Fiction Writers' Workshop was held in Cheltenham, in the Square Hotel. Now the Square Hotel is no longer trading, and it took me a while to track it down, but apparently it was here at number 8 Suffolk Square. Very many thanks to the Cheltenham Local History Society who helped me to find it.